Hello everyone, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will learn how we can increase the video RAM graphics of our device without using any software. Okay, so let's get started. So let's go first to device manager, and we can do that by simply making a right click here in our Windows icon and then go to the device manager options. Now once we're in this window, please go to display adapters and please click on this arrow here. Now here you will see the graphics card that's in your device. Just please select it and then make a right click on it and then go click update driver. And here you'll be asked how you want to search for drivers. So just please click on the first option, which is search automatically for drivers. And once it says that the best drivers for your device are already installed, now you're good to go. We can now close this one. The next thing we need to do is here in our desktop, please make a right click and then go to display settings. Okay, so in here, all we need to do is just find for display adapter or advanced display settings. Okay, but first let's go to advanced display. Yeah, advanced display settings. And let's find display adapter properties. Display adapter properties for display 1, and in here we will see the dedicated video memory, which is only 496 MB, and I want to increase that. So let me just close this window. So let us follow these steps on how to increase the video RAM graphics of our device. All we need to do is just to open the run window, and we can do that by simply pressing Windows R key all together in our keyboard, or just making a right click here in our Windows icon and then go to run options. Now once this run window is up on our screen, let's type regedit and then hit enter. And this user account control window will be up on our screen, so just click on yes. And let me just minimize these options here. Okay, so once we're in this registry editor window, all we need to do is just go to HKey local machine option and just click this arrow here. And then let's find for software options, this one. Okay, so once we're in here, all we need to do is to find for Intel options, and once found, please select it and then make a right click on it and then just click on new, click on key and then type GMM, then click on enter. And in here, please make a right click in this inside tab and then click on new and then click on key. Again, make a right click on this inside tab, click on new and then choose this D word 32-bit value. And in here, we need to type for dedicated segment size without space. So it's dedicated without space segment size. It's dedicated segment size. Once done, please click on and enter. And once we have this now, please make a right click on it, select it, and then make a right click on it, and then go to modify options. So in here, under the value data, please make sure that you choose. Okay, so you will choose from any of these options. So if you have a RAM of 2 gigabytes, you will choose 256 value data here, and if you have 4 gigabytes, you will put 512. If you have 8 gigabytes, you have 1024 value, you have to put 1024. And if you have 16 gigabytes, you need to put 2048 value. So I'll put 1024 since I have 8 gigabytes of RAM. So once done, once entering the value data, you can now click on OK and then make a quick restart with your device, and then you will see a great change with the video RAM graphics. Okay, so I hope you found this video helpful. Please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye bye.